Definitely not Mandarin. I don't know how people pair up Mandarin.
Mandarin.
Mandarin is a language.
ये मेरी दोस्त
Mandarin
मॉडर्न में
Mandarin is a language.
Smaller.
The funniest reaction I've ever seen. तो I'm like ये मेरी दोस्त JP Morgan से तो
I saw the vlog. I didn't understand what he was doing.
क्या हुआ? This is so funny man. I should just randomly start.
You went to security guard.
I thought you were saying.
तुमको भी बोला ना उनके फोन से लेके इंस्टा में लाइक कर सकते हैं.
आना है कि मिलानो जाना है.
देख लेते
This
हैं.
is nothing.
यहाँ देखते हैं फिर जाते हैं.
मतलब तुम्हें अगर बेक फूड चाहिए तो अलग.
ऐसे टाइम में
वही देख तो लेते हैं.
She falling off. Single scoop is 120.
हाँ तो खिला दे.
129.
इतना तो खिला ही सकते हैं यार.
You
120.
editing 5 videos that I'll do.
No, you will get rent from that
तो
apartment.
I am not getting
तू
it.
पहले खिलाएगी फिर ना मैं एडिट करूँगा तेरे वीडियोस.
You know how? You know
It doesn't
how
work that way.
works.
See, to work I need energy. Energy आइसक्रीम से आएगा.
As a doctor, I cannot disagree with you.
See?
I cannot disagree with you.
How will I
Can't
give?
say
Before the work is done, will they give you पैसा?
Advance कहते हैं उसे.
Joining bonus मिलता है ना.
Joining bonus मतलब joining bonus you don't get.
ये या मिलानो.
चल मिलानो चलते हैं.
मेलन ने मिलानो करके ब्लॉग.
हाँ.
Discussing there, I don't know.
The way Arpita has just rejected 129 का scoop.
Yes.
Very bad, very bad. इतने दूर से आके 130 रुपए का scoop without GST you couldn't pay.
20 rupees, sir. You said momos max limit.
Momos 20 rupees. तुम
You are
कहाँ?
in Bangalore. I will give whatever Hyderabad momos का
Bro,
price.
हम तुम्हारा बॉर्डर
हैदराबाद में भी 20
एक
रुपए
मिनट
का
रुक जा.
मिलता है.
तेरा क्या परचेस पैरिटी हैदराबाद से स्टार्ट हो जाता है क्या? शी स्टिल 20 रुपीस का एक प्लेट मोमो इट सीम्स.
Yeah.
मतलब 20 रुपए का पानी पूरी भी नहीं है यहाँ पर.
20 रुपए का पानी पूरी नहीं है.
40 रुपए मिनिमम.
कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं है.
पानी है.
ठीक है 50 रुपीज.
यहाँ लोग ने 20 रुपए का
Bro,
नोट देखा नहीं है.
50 रुपीज है मोमोज हैदराबाद में. It's not.
चलो.
भाई
It's not
you know
branded.
you are very rich in that case if you are living in Hyderabad.
उसका ब्रांड नहीं होता. रोड साइड में.
Ice cream one.
आइसक्रीम शूज.
Ice cream shoes. Where?
जूते में आइसक्रीम.
Show you.
नहीं नहीं आइसक्रीम शूज इन द सेंस पहनने की खाने हैं.
नहीं पहनने हैं but it looks like an ice cream.
चीटी नहीं आ जाएगा. ए यार मुझे अपना फोन मिलानो में तो खिला रही ना आइसक्रीम. यार अर्पिता यार कैसी पे एक फ्लैट बन रहा है ना. तू गृह प्रवेश में बुला रही है ना पार्टी में. फरवरी ना तो तब तक तो आइसक्रीम पिघल जाएगा. तू अभी तो खिला दे. तू
भाई वो तेरा वीडियो भी एडिट कर रहा है.
हाँ
कहाँ? पहले करो
तू
फिर.
पहले वीडियो दो.
वीडियो देने के लिए आइसक्रीम
फिर
खाना
दे
पड़ेगा
दो
मुझे.
नहीं.
तो तू पहले आइसक्रीम तो खिला. उसके बिना कैसे एडिट होगा? हाउ विल यू नो माय स्किल्स?
By seeing if you give me a video.
So if I give you then you tell sorry हमारा यहाँ तक रिश्ता यहीं तक था and then you walk out means
Yes. Now if I give money and you don't give videos.
this doesn't work like that. I will.
अच्छा
Pay
इसको
me the
14K
money.
हो गया.
After the video edit, I'll give it to you.
Okay bro.
Yeah, you will.
Let her pay me the money.
I know, right? That's why this is your cue. Start now.
Editing.
अरे ये तो बहुत प्रोफेशनल है यार. तू यहाँ से तो कुछ खरीद दे. हॉट व्हील्स एक गाड़ी. It's less than 130.
What are you getting in Hamleys and
75 रुपए का हॉट व्हील्स कार.
Let's go here.
कॉमेट का आइसक्रीम.
अरे चिल है. चलने दे.
अरे यार 2x
That
करो.
does not look like ice.
That is an ice cream cone.
अरे
डायरेक्टली मेट्रो ही जाएंगे.
That the side whatever the thing is called.
But it's not like that good.
Nothing is
I mean it's famous.
I expected a lot.
Yeah, exactly.
It's famous.
मेरे को लगा फ्लफी कुछ दिखेगा
तो नहीं है.
कि चलोगे तो मतलब सब ऐसे पलट के जूते देखेंगे. बच्चे आएंगे मामा आइसक्रीम.
शू को देख के.
वेरी कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल.
Please, we don't want to get cancelled.
What's his content?
आई एम लाइक क्रिसमस इज लाइक रात का फेस्टिवल. सी दिस से समझ नहीं आ रहा. रात में समझ आता.
How is it content?
लाइटिंग नहीं समझ आ रहा भाई. मैं कह रहा हूँ.
How's the lighting?
सी दैट्स द होल पॉइंट.
I did not see a controversy. That's just in disbelief. Bro, how is this a church? I thought it was like
दैट इज नॉट अ चर्च. दैट्स अ कैफे.
kindergarten.
ओ माय गॉड इट्स एक्चुअली अ चर्च. मुझे लगा ये किंडर. हाँ आई मीन आई थॉट इट्स अ किंडरगार्टन स्कूल.
अच्छी है.
ये तो है.
Like fancy colours देख के.
This guy even at 40 years old he lack like this one.
I see. The thing is that my face also won't look 40 when I'm at 40. That's the problem. At 40, I'll look like
the same at
Because
10,
you will
20.
go old at 110 only.
exactly, bro. You know those skills. Oh, I got. They asked me, Nepal, are you 18 for the club? When I was getting the tag.
मुझे पूछते कि बच्चे कितने हैं? I'm not kidding.
We are at extreme ends. I can be your
I'm
son.
not even kidding. ठीक है जब मैं इंटर्नशिप में I didn't even get time to like shave or trim. इतना बड़ा झाड़ यहाँ पे.
Hey, nice car, bro.
Send this to traffic police.
Just
Just talking for it.
Actually,
Food report. Food report.
Food report. You'll get 25 rupees.
25
Or
rupees.
100 rupees. I don't know. Something.
100 रुपए दे दे यार, आइसक्रीम हो जाएगा मेरा.
I think something to have.
ये एक वो ऑडी नाइस तो भी हट.
और ही देख यार दोस्तों
नाइस फ्रेम, नाइस फ्रेम.
उसी से मांग ले 100 रुपए.
I think you
Oh,
will go
they'll actually
directly-
pay, bro.
Indiranagar में
Bro,
parking
if I come with a
Directly to metro.
slip means they'll actually pay me also. He's like, if you go and just ask them for parking ticket, they'll pay 100 also. They have enough cash.
You need the machine.
I don't need. You'll just tell safety deposit. It's called trust fees.
क्या trust fees है?
Why are you going for small things like give me parking charge? Just go, sir. I am valet. Give me a car.
Valet for what? I like Indira Nagar. Anyone who parks here, I'll be valet for them. This is my part time.
वाले for date का.
I'll show. मैं दिखाऊंगा मेरे पास कैमरा भी है just for your car safety. I record all my driving skills. So अर्पिता, आइसक्रीम यार एक स्कूप तो दिखला ही सकती है यार.
ठीक है एक स्पून खिला
एक स्पून?
एक स्पून आइस
तेरे एक स्पून का क्या करूँ मैं?
खा ले. एक वीडियो एक स्पून. 5 वीडियो 5.
You're bargaining with a woman. You know that. Right?
Leave bro, Sarojini is better. At least they'll give me the scoop by now.
She'll be married.
Hey, nice car again. Hey, that's a good Mercedes ka coupe. I'm good at car spotting. Why would Vatsal say that, man, just to not come? What kind of question is Royston?
भाई मैंने उसको बोला था कि I'm sorry if you need any help. मुझसे ना.
हाँ.
बोला कि ना it's ठीक only. I was not close with him anyways.
I love that thing, okay. That's insane.
I told him I'm sorry if you need any help. पूछने गए थे. वो बोला कि ना everything is fine. I was not close with him anyways.
In his message, he told him, "Mummy, Papa बोल रहे हैं."
Exactly, you're not getting the point.
उसने थोड़ी बोला कि
Bro,
नहीं,
Royston, so you get the reason. The reason was mommy, papa, not. Bro, but I love Royston's curiosity. Like, is he lying? Just to not come.
No, just because he doesn't want to give a treat.
अच्छा वो भी है.
Bro, that's no, that's the. कोई बात नहीं. We had Arpita today.
For what?
Bro, pay.
You still have WhatsApp. He didn't die. Okay. You can do online payment.
He doesn't see messages on time. उस समय तक बर्तन धोने पड़ जाते हैं. He'll be like, हाँ बता. मैं कोई बात नहीं, बर्तन धुल गए. Do you even read books?
From 75 days, yes.
From 75 days.
Doing the 75
Hard challenge.
soft challenge.
अच्छा. No, reading books is hard. I agree.
I know, but it's like
That
fiction
is
is fine.
not doing challenge basically.
No, 75 soft challenge is just challenge, okay?
It's very hard, bro.
Challenge मतलब
See,
challenge
if
का meaning
if a book doesn't have if a book doesn't have pictures, I can't read. It's very difficult for me. I don't know
Well,
why.
read at least 50 books a year.
Oh,
Then don't start with 75.
Bro, she's traveled.
books a year?
No, 75 challenge she's doing
75 soft challenge is a
of anything.
challenge.
No, but what is it?
Correct. But it's like 75 days of consistency of certain things. Where you.
So is
You've
it
not seen it on
So is it
Instagram.
books? Only books. So is it books?
That is not
So
books
is it
then.
books?
It is not books. You just have to read at least 10 pages
Hey,
of reading. a
one
day.
book only 75 days
And
will take me.
then
10 pages a day.
Yeah.
Gee, 750 pages. 750 pages is more than his thesis.
Yeah,
Wait. हाँ,
Anirudh, तेरा thesis ज़्यादा है ना?
क्या फिर?
Wait,
There is, you have to do 45 minutes of a workout, at least. Because I don't have 45 minutes of time, I'm doing 30 minutes and I'm doing 5,000 steps.
Arpita, what do you do for a living?
ये wait da.
45 minutes नहीं है इसके पास.
चुप रहना 2 सेकंड.
Chup rahe. Challenge
No,
two.
you tell what you all do.
I'm doing 2 to 3 liters of water. Then,
Requirements complete नहीं हुआ. Requirement complete नहीं हुआ.
पिया ना उसने जिंजर वाले.
हाँ, पिया ना. पानी था वो.
जिंजर वाले बोल रहे हैं वो लोग देख के.
भाई आप काट दी भाई.
We have to do like meditation for.
But that's how you influence.
This is a lot of work.
ये किसने स्टार्ट किया ये
At
नॉनसेंस?
So it's one progress photo a day. So if you miss any of these, you start from day one again.
कौन ट्रैक कर रहा है ये?
मैं.
You know the only 75 hard I believe is that wrestler guy who Ankit Bhanpuria. Bhayanpuria, the guy who did the wrestling guy started the 75 hard challenge. That's the only 75 hard I believe in.
So do.
The pace we are walking, no, 4 o'clock there only.
कोई बात नहीं, वहीं से अलविदा कर देंगे. तू 130 दे दियो बस.
Now how will I go to the metro without your stupid bike? Now you run back. What will you do?
Dude,
Why do you have
no
brain at
one planned this, okay? स्मूर में खा लेते अच्छा खासा, तूने बोला नहीं कुछ फालतू.
Nobody liked it there.
Hello,
I didn't do anything.
you didn't vote for it.
for what?
अभिरूप से खाना ही कि
I
नहीं, उससे
voted
चलो.
for no mystery rooms. Nobody listened to me.
You know, Royston was so excited. He was like, one game got over, let's do another one. Man was so excited. Remember that day? Remember, right? He was like, let's do another one. भाई यहाँ आइसक्रीम नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. अच्छा. आई एम टेकिंग वॉट एवर दिस इज. सस्ता वाला है. ये घर पे था, आइसक्रीम तो तेरे ऊपर है. अगर तूने कुछ खराब लिया.
Brownie chocolate.
+1. How would salted caramel taste like?
Will be salty.
We salted for
It'll be like the soda you tasted. Salty.
थोड़ा खिला देना अपने से.
With
हाँ, okay, salted
corn or
caramel I'm taking.
You don't have.
So
Salted
decide
caramel.
what-
Salted caramel.
Cone without cone.
कौन के साथ?
Cone.
Without corn.
Arpita is paying.
Without
cone,
cone.
medium.
Brownie chocolate.
Which cone?
The expensive one.
Large one.
Your she's paying for everyone.
She's paying for my cone, that's for sure.
I'll just not pay and leave. What will you do?
I beg. Please pay.
I'd like to see that.
Please pay. I am running on a budget.
One salted caramel.
तू क्या
हो
ले
जाए
रही
फिर अकेले फिर.
हाँ. तू क्या ले रही है?
Brownie chocolate.
2 स्कूप.
एक इसमें तो एक ही आता है.
नहीं नहीं.
इसमें
हर
भी
चीज़ में 2.
अच्छा.
तो 2 चीज़ अलग अलग लेगा.
Oh.
So when he said ginger, are there 3 beautiful women that just passed, just judged us?
They judged me.
They just asked.
हाँ. What do you want?
Pistachio.
What do you have?
पिस्ताशियो ऊपर रखना बोलना ताकि मैं खा सकूँ.
You? अच्छा.
ब्राउनी चॉकलेट ऊपर आ गया ना मेरा.
हाँ तो वो.
तो तू
putting that only first.
हाँ तब ठीक है. You're not understanding the strategy है मेरा ताकि I can taste yours also ना अलग से.
तो taste ना.
Ah. Let's give the women a chance today. Ladies first, pay first.
Thought you're giving me more ice cream or something.
I mean, you can.
You
अच्छा,
can
so
just
they
pay.
can do whatever you
Exactly. Independent woman.
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
Weak independent woman.
That's fine.
That is also fine. You are independent. We support the weak. Oh, they actually have brownie in this.
Yeah.
I just thought the taste will come.
So it contains egg, that's why.
Okay.
Because brownie has egg.
Okay.
If you can't pronounce, leave it.
No, you're not.
Cup.
Why are you taking something which you can't pronounce?
Because I
That's
don't know
the thing that tastes good.
That is gyan diya.
तुम क्यों दे रहे
It is gyan diya.
what.
G can't be silent.
Yeah, that's what they enjoy.
But it is gyan diya. Yeah. Strong independent woman.
So much work in the house. So much.
A scoop de bake.
But I can taste like that.
बोल दिया ना.
बोल दिया मैंने.
अनिरुद्ध उसमें से थोड़ा देना.
Yeah. It's just black coffee.
See, I don't want. If you don't have sugar, no? Then leave. 25 hard day challenge. Walk. Yeah, it is blinking.
Your
Yeah.
chest is blinking.
Iron Man.
Seriously, I don't know.
Bro, it is recording. ये क्रेडिट कार्ड है ये.
No.
तेरे को इतना स्पेशल क्रेडिट कार्ड क्यों दिया?
It's gold members.
How much do you earn?
How much ever you want.
No, I'm kidding.
How do you have a gold regalia? Did the company give you?
Why would the company?
No, I mean not the company. I mean did your HDFC manager? मेरा मैनेजर मेरे को चिंदी वाला क्यों चिपका रहा है फिर?
Gee, you're fast.
मैंने खा लिया थोड़ा.
Decide some much.
Study.
Thing is you paid. I can't say anything. वापस तो रख ये.
भाग रही है भाई वो.
उसको चाहिए भी. You know the fun thing. You don't have a spoon. You just take. I bought one.
Why is Royston sitting and all?
Bro, this is insane. I bought a spoon for a cone. What happened?
Chill.
Oh my God! Why are the people? Royston, let's go. I think I can't stay here. अच्छा तो लगता है
क्या?
चम्मच से खाने से.
You just destroyed the purpose of getting a cone. Cone की बेइज्जती करा दी.
थोड़ा तो दे.
खा ले.
मैंने इतना सॉल्टेड ये खा लिया. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है ये
This is
रोज.
nice, no?
हाँ. You know what? I'll tell you.
The other store is more variety.
That's okay.
Correct.
Cut.
कट. क्या काट रहा है तो?
Sugar.
इतना कट. हमने कितना कटा काफी नहीं था.
क्या कटा है तू? मजा सो डिस्कनेक्ट कर